Should old acquaintance be forgot?
And never brought to mind.
Should old acquaintance be forgot?
In the days of Auld Lang Syne.
For Auld Lang Syne, my dear.
For Auld Lang Syne.
We'll drink a cup o' kindness yet.
For the sake of Auld Lang Syne.
And surely you will buy your cup.
And surely I'll buy mine.
We'll take a cup of kindness yet.
For the sake of Auld Lang Syne.
We two who paddled in the stream.
From morning sun to night.
The seas between us roared and swelled.
Since the days of Auld Lang Syne.
Would acquaintance be forgot?
And never brought to mind.
Should old acquaintance be forgot?
For the sake of Auld Lang Syne.
For old acquaintance be forgot.
And never brought to mind. Should old acquaintance be forgot?
In the days of Auld Lang Syne.
For Auld Lang Syne, my dear. For Auld Lang Syne. We'll drink a cup of kindness yet.
For the sake of Auld Lang Syne.
Yay! Happy New Year! Yay!
Happy New Year!
Yay!
Gelukkig nieuwjaar!
Shana Tova.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Fluffies! I wish everybody a happy and safe New Year's for 2025.
Happy New Year! Mazel tov!
Happy New Year! Gelukkig Nieuwjaar! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to friends and family. Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy 2025!
Happy New Year!
Me. Is that a little Cthulhu teddy? Oh,
It is.
Good.
Alright.
Puppy! Oh my, oh that, you are gorgeous. Look at you. Oh my